Ever wondered how different creatures breathe underwater? Well, for us, we have something called lungs, and lungs do a very important job. Well, you know what it is. It's just basically getting oxygen out of the air around us. Now, when we try to swim, we have a little bit of a downside. Our body isn't really made for swimming, so the natural thing we do is that we kind of come back up. And how we do this is because we have air in our lungs, as you all know. And because of this, air doesn't really like water, and it loves to be pushed back up with other air. Almost like a party. Think about it like that. Now, when the air wants to go back up, what does it want to do? Oh, it's going to pick your entire body back up. Too bad. Now, aquatic, semi-aquatic creatures, not just aquatic, have very different adaptations to us. Now, semi-aquatic creatures can both live on land and also in sea. For example, frogs. Let's just take frogs as an example. Now, frogs also have lungs, the same as we do. Now, these lungs aren't exactly the same as human lungs, but they're basically far from it. Anyways, those lungs allow them to breathe above water and in water. I wonder how they breathe underwater. Maybe gills, like what fish do? No! It's actually from their skin. Now, their skin, which sounds like a little bit of a stretch, the skin itself, it filters out the waters and allows it to get oxygen from the water, as you all know. Now, what do aquatic creatures have? What a wonderful thought. Well, aquatic creatures like fish have different adaptations. For example, this one, for freshwater fish, they have gills, as you all know. Now, these gills filter out salt from the water and takes the salt for itself and leaves out excess water. Now, in saltwater fish, however, the exact opposite is true. What happens then is that it tries to get fresh water and the salt is gone. Now, so why don't they mix? Don't freshwater fish want salt? Well, here's the misconception. If they go to the saltwater seas, they have too much salt. The same can be said the other way around. Saltwater fish don't need that much water. If you give them too much fresh water, they're going to die. What a weird way our body develops.